Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our Breakaway C box break. This is for the 2013-2014 Panini Playbook box break number 9. Here's the last team up for auction. Where's Edmonton? I just got a couple of short announcements to make on our website, breakawaysc.com. Got a couple cool group breaks going tomorrow night. We got a Playbook Team Select break and a Playbook Switch Draft break. Both of them are full case breaks. The Playbook Team Select break, we got 3 cases we're breaking tomorrow night. So all you gotta do is click on the button here and it'll take you right to the page. It'll show you what teams are still available and the prices per team, and also how to make payment. Also in this break we're doing a hat-trick giveaway. So if you buy one team in each break, your name will be put into the draw tomorrow night to win a free box of Playbook. And also, if you register on our site in the month of April and May, we're giving away a 13-14 SP Authentic box to one lucky person. So if we have 100 people register in this month and next month, all of you will be put into random.org, and we'll randomize the list. Whoever ends up on top wins the box. So all you gotta do is hit register and just fill the form. The serial number is just a little bit hard to see. I cut the plastic first. There you go, it's NA206 538 151. That's NA206 538 151. Good luck, everybody. Looks like we have a double booklet pack. Pretty thick. First off, we have an autobiography hit of Jerome McGinley, 82 out of 99. Card goes to the Bruins. Nice hit for the Bruins. We'll do the booklets last. Got a base for the Stars at Belfour, 74 to 249. Even though it's a base, it has a serial number on it, so it will be shipped. And we got a dual rookie class book of Jared Tenorti and Nikita Zadorov. There we go. This is going to be randomized between Montreal and Buffalo. And then we got a first round edition booklet of Michael Granlund. That card goes to Minnesota. A nice hit to Minnesota. Michael Granlund. So let me just get the random set up 1 second. So between Montreal and Buffalo. Randomize it 3 times, good luck. 1, 2, and 3. So that card goes to Buffalo. Congrats to Buffalo. And thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.